I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the mesh. Left-click until the orange outline confirms selection. Once done, decide. Stay in object mode for whole object color or press Tab to enter edit mode for per face colors. Open the Properties panel and switch to the Material tab. This is where materials live. Click the plus to add a slot or select an existing material. Make sure you have a viewport shading that shows material color so you can preview changes immediately. This saves time and confusion. Create a material by pressing New. Name it so you can find it later. In the surface settings, change base color to pick your hue. This directly controls the mesh color in most workflows. Modify roughness and metallic values to affect light response. Lower roughness makes highlights sharper. If you need precise control, open the shader editor and hook color nodes, mix shaders, or add textures. This node-based approach explains why materials respond to lights and why your color might look different under different scenes. With the material ready, assign it. In edit mode, select faces and hit assign. In object mode, the material applies to the whole mesh. Then preview using Material Preview or Rendered Viewport so you see final appearance. If the color seems off, inspect normals, flip them if inverted, and check UVs or image textures that might override base color. Also confirm you're not in vertex paint or using a different material slot. One quick troubleshooting tip. Recalc normals by selecting all and using Recalculate normals to fix invisible color issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.